Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really, one of the easiest ways to make a scratch clicker game. So the first thing you want to do is pick out a backdrop that you want. Next, pick out another sprite that you want. Now I chose Puppy because he has 4 different costumes. Choose whatever costume you think is right. I think that Puppy Sit is what I want to do. You could also maybe do Puppy Side. Now the reason I'm doing Puppy is because the puppy's for my clicker game, but we don't mind that right now. So you're gonna make a new variable and you're gonna name it points or whatever you want to name it. Once that variable, is created, it's gonna show up right in this corner here. Yeah, whatever you named it with 0. Drag this down to here, so it's above your dog, and then put large readout. And if you like it how it was, you can quickly just make it back to normal readout or whatever you want it to be. It doesn't matter, it's your clicker game. So I'm gonna put mine right above my dog, and then here we're gonna get coding. First, you're gonna put down one green flag clicked. Go down to variables, set points to 0. Go to looks, scroll down a little bit to find show. Next, go to control, forever, my valuables, and we're gonna make a new valuables, production. So we can just hide this because we don't need it. And you want to change points by production. Next, we're gonna wait 2 seconds. If you do not make the new production, when you click the green flag, his points are just gonna keep on going up. But now we got the first bit of code done. Now we're gonna make the actual clicking thing. Now this is really easy to do. So I'm gonna make a new block, and how about we'll call it points maker. What? It doesn't really matter. That's not how you spell make. It doesn't matter what you name it because this block is not going to be seen by the viewers. But it's good for helping remember. So, say I want my dog to make a sound. How about like play sound dog 2? Wow, that's nice. How about we change his costume? How about to puppy? Well, we want to go to looks and switch it to, how about puppy side? Now we need to make the actual point thing. So you're just gonna want to go down to change points by 1. And now, how about we wait a few seconds? How about point 2? And then we can change our dog back. Now you don't really need to do this. You can just make it say change points by 1. But then you don't really need that define or points make a block. Or you can just use this type of code. Next, you want to go down to events when this sprite clicked. My blocks, points maker. Now when you click the dog, he's going to make the barking sound. He's going to turn to the side. He's going to change the points by 1. And boom, your clicker game's done. Now say I don't really like how he's going to the side. How about puppy back? That doesn't look right either. How about puppy right? I guess that's fine. So now that we've done all the adjustments we want to, how about we make different key. How about we do when space clicked points maker. When we click space, the puppy changes. We can hold this one down. Now, if we hold down space and lots of points. I mean, like, that might be a little breaking, but why not? Now, what do we need to do? Well, how about we make... Oh, I have the perfect idea. How about we make a shop? You know, the things that almost every clicker game has? Perfect. Let's first paint whatever you want. Let's choose, how about blue? Let's make it a rectangle. Ah, that looks nice. How about, let's make some text on it that says shop. Oh no, it's blue. Let's change it up. Perfect. Now let's make the shop logo a little bigger. Drag this to the middle. Perfect. How about we drag this up to here? Looks amazing. Let's make a new thing. Let's make a new costume. Let's duplicate it. Let's put no outline. Let's make another box. What if we make it kind of like this? Ha, that looks nice. How about we let's expand it a little more. Ooh, now that is a good looking shop. What could we do to code this? Well, first of all, almost every clicker game makes it so when you click on the button that says shop, it opens up the shop. So how could we do that? Now, we don't want it so when we start the game, there's a giant shop thing in our way. So about when green flag clicked, change our looks to, how about costume one? So when the green flag clicked, it's right there. You know, that's a little code, but that's gonna get us a long way. Now let's make some new coding. Wow, Scratch coding, you would have never guessed. How about, first of all, we want to make sure that we're not ruining our game. So when green flag click, let's add this. So say we accidentally move it, it'll go straight back to where we want it to be at. Now let's make it so it opens. We need it so when we're adding stuff into the game, like a new buying thing, it won't just appear on screen, it'll follow when we open up shop. So how could we do that? Well, Scratch actually has this neat thing called the broadcasting thing. Well, it's actually called messaging, but basically what this means is if we bring out broadcast, new message, we can write down whatever we want and it would broadcast through all the things as long as we select it correctly. I'll show you that more when we make our first option. How about I name this, oh, I know, CS, standing for closed shop. And let's make a new broadcast for open shop. We'll name that OP. Actually, no, not OP, OS, sorry. Standing for closed shop and open shop. Let's make it so when clicked, open shop. And when I receive, open shop, switch to costume 2. And then, how about when space clicked, close shop, when I receive, close shop, switch the costume on. Now, when we click the thing, it opens up, and when we click back, it closes. Now, this is a little annoying thing. How do we get rid of that? Well, there's not really anything we can really do about that. Okay, no, I lied. We can just hide the valuable when close shop, when open shop, and then show valuable. I lied. Sorry. Oh no, wait. Oh, we messed up. How to fix that easily. You can go to any sprite you want, and when green flag clicks, you can hide something in. Let's do this guy because it's not a forever loop on him. When green flag clicked, show points. So, boom! We got a working shop, except it's not really working. What do I mean by that? There's no options in your shop. In the shop, you need options. That's how a shop works. So let's make our first thing. Let's go to paint. So, what do you want this? You can name this whatever you want to do or want to be. We'll make it so like every second or whatever seconds you want, this happens or this is made. So, how do we do that? Easy peasy. First, let's just make the name of it. Click it. Next, we need to make a description. It's not required, but it would help. Every sec in +1. Or we can do every second +3. And now, most importantly, we're going to need a price for that. Alright, guys. Alright, sorry for that, guys. Oh no, that's actually kind of bad for us. So, back on track where we were going with this. Let's make this for 50. Now we need to make a big boy buy button. There you go. Perfect. I'm going to actually change these color things to be black. Because we don't want it to be the same shade as the shop. Now, when we open up the shop, our option's going to be right here. But notice, when we close the shop, the option's still there. That's not what we want. So, this is what I mean by we can broadcast things from other things. So, when I receive, close shop. Hide. And when I receive open shop. Show. Now, whenever we open up the shop, it'll be there. Whenever we close the shop, it will disappear. And yeah, every time we close the shop, I'll make that sound. this thing actually work. So, oh wait, bug. When green flag clicked, hide. Now there's another error with our game. As you see, this happens. Maybe you're asking, well, what's happening? Like, you may think, oh, it's not showing, but when we receive open shop, it is showing. I'll give you that hint. But here's the thing, it's behind the shop. How do we fix that? Well, when I receive open shop, show, and go to front layer. Because currently, it was behind it, and now it's in front of it, so. Now we need to make it actually work and points be correctly rewarded and defeated. How do we do that? Well, this is how. Alright guys, I'm going to have to do another quick break. 1 second. Alright, I'm back. Sorry for that. Let's get back to coding. So, the showing things are correct. Now we need to make it so everything's coded correctly and it makes the correct stuff. So first we're gonna wanna make it so when the sprite is clicked, so we're gonna go to events, and when the sprite clicked, now here's when the big boy coding starts coming. If blank, then else. So if what's the thing? Alright. So if you want to go to operators, blank or blank, you want to do an equal to sign and a greater than sign. And then you want to find what you listed. Oh no. Oops. You want to find what you listed it to. So for 50, it's already set as 50. Next, you want to go to variables, points. So this means if we have 50 points and we click on it, it buys it. Now we're just gonna get this quickly over with. If put in L section, can't buy. Now we don't need to code anything for can't buy. You just can't buy it. Nothing appears. You just can't buy it. But you need to have something there, so we just put can't buy. Else the code wouldn't work. Next, make a new variable. We'll name this clicker. Now it depends what you want this as. You can have it on screen, or you don't need it to have it on screen. I'll have it on screen just in case. You can put this wherever you want. We're just gonna put it in bottom corner real quick. But we're not gonna hide it or anything. It's just gonna be there. So now we're gonna get to coding. So the first thing you want to do is change clicker by 1. Change making pro. Well, no, not making. Change production by how much did we say it is? So by 3. Then change points. Change points by negative. So I'm pretty sure this is all working. So I'm not actually gonna grind. I'm not actually gonna grind all the way up to that. So we're just gonna do quick change. Boom! Now we're magically at 50. So when we buy this, we have 1 clicker, and now every second we earn 3. Easy. Easy code. And now so what I mean by that is if we get another 50, we buy again. We have 2 of these, and now every second we get 6. And if we keep on doing that, so I'm just gonna quickly spam this. If we just keep on buying these, and now every 7 times 3. 7 times 3, you should know this. 21, every 1 second we get 21 points. My math is correct because I'm so smart. See, it's pretty easy code, and when you click this, as you can see, it's gonna stay the same. How do we fix this? Super easy code. All we do is we go to, I like putting this on dog, but green flag clicked. When green flag clicked, set clicker to 0 and set production to 0, and we already have set points. So now when the game restarts, we won't be earning any more points. Oh, we found something bad. When green flag clicks, we need to make sure that the dog goes back to the where we want it to be. So, boom. Now say we accidentally move the dog out of place. We can go back. Boom! Easy! Done! Now we're gonna make a multiplier thing. Now you don't know what I mean. So let's make a new sprite. We can just duplicate this sprite because it basically has the same code. So we don't need to do X edit code. So what should we name this? Well, we can name it multiplier. So every click plus, let's do 3. Now we can do this by 100. I'm gonna line everything up here. And perfect. So now when we open this up, it's gonna be here, but every time it's gonna spawn in the same spot. So we're just gonna quickly go to here. And when green flag clicked, go to, what's that? Wait, I totally forgot. For clicker, we need to put it so when green flag clicks, it goes there. Okay. Mouse is stuck on something. There you go. Also, another thing is, whenever we click this, the dog is still here. I don't know how I didn't notice that. But to fix that, we just want to go here, and when I receive close shop and open shop. So when I receive open shop, it's basically the exact opposite. So when I receive close shop, show. When I receive open shop. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now we need to actually make the correct code for this. Now, this is a little more in-depth code. So first, we know the thing. We know what to do. Points must equal 100 or more than 100. Change that by negative 100. But there's the different stuff that come in. The different stuff that come in is, you see these two codes? We don't need this at all. We still need this guy, but we don't need these. So we can just flop these guys out of here. So now I'm pretty sure we need to make a new variable. Let me check real quick. Yes, we need to make a new variable for this guy. So they're just going to go to variable and money, points per click. Points per click. We can set this up wherever you want. We're just going to set it right next to him. And we're going to change points per click by 1. Now I'm going to need to take a little quick look in my code real quick to spot how I do this. Oh, okay. Okay, so I see. So I was right about making that, I think. Yeah. But I was going to make a new broadcasting thing. So when I receive times 2, let me go to my code real quick. When I receive times 2, set PPC to 0. No, 2. Oh wait, I was completely wrong. Set PPC to times, and then PPC here. Wrong spot. This one. And how much did I say? No, wait. 2. No, wait, 3. Yeah, 3 squared. Oh, wait, no, guys, put this in puppy. Sorry. Alright, now, go back to puppy. When this sprite clicked, went on to variables and change. Wait, can you guys hear me? Hello? Hello? Oh my god, I think I messed up so bad. I'm gonna have to check the music there. I'm gonna have to check the thing there. So change points by it's right here. PPC. So yeah, we're not adding anything. We're gonna do 2 of these. Aha! Oh, so here's the quick problem. Changing this by 2. I isn't doing that correctly. Do about 4. So we should go to 40. Perfect. See, every time we click. Now we need to do it by just copy the no. Duplicate this block here. Event when space clicked. I'm gonna click space this time. That might be a little OP. How to fix that? Easy. Go down to control, find. Wait 1 second. Change this to 0.005. Now it's not like a spam menu. How about 0.5? It's still spam. Alright, perfect. 0.5 seconds. That's due. Wait. I think I put my mic too low again. I feel like you guys can't hear me when I do this, but I think you might be able to. Yeah. Boom. Done. Easy. Now, tell me if I should make a lot part 2, because this video is getting super long, and how to make a projectile that comes like sweet. Anyways, if you want to check out my game, I'll show you my game right now. Oh, damn, 30 minutes? Okay. I'll show you my game right now. First, you want to save your game. You want to go to your profile. Oh, my stuff. And if you want it to be public, I don't know, I forgot. But let's go look at mine. This. And we actually have a second page. So I made clicker for 300, 5 seconds every 2 seconds. Plus 5 every 2 seconds. And then for 1,000 plus 10 every 1 second. A little bit of a whip off. But every 4 seconds. It's not a whip off, trust me. Now, doggy friend. For 500 every click plus 1. That's basically I forgot what we called it in my game. In click a game, it was something. It was something. But the thing that I want to show you guys is I actually have a cheat menu in the game. Tennis ball. And how this works is basically every 5 seconds a tennis ball will come out. You have to click on it, and if you do, you get 200 points. Now, it does say not stackable, but it is stackable. But if you do stack it, that's the ball just like stay there. But then you can do that. And one of my friends pointed out to me, if you just put it on, correct those. So yeah, but everything works the same. These work. Doggy friend works. You can't really see that, but it works. I'm gonna try to fix the thing where the clones are just like staying there. I'll try to fix that, but I don't know how to. But that is my game. I'll teach you guys how to make that flowing protector if you want to. Anyways, bye. Have a good day, matey.